The next question given to us is make 2-digit, say 2 and 3, make 4-digit numbers using both the digits equal number of times. So we have to use the digit, question number 4, that is we have to use the digits 2 and 3, and we have to make a 4-digit number for making greatest and the smallest number. So, and we have to use these, we have to repeat these digits equal number of times. So for making the greatest, we are going to use 3 at the thousands place again, because it's the greatest out of 2 and 3, and again at the 100 place. And so greatest number will be our 3322, and smallest will be 2233. We are going to use these 2 at the thousands place, and 2 again at 100 place, and 3 ones place, and 3 at tens place, and 3 at 1 place. So we have used these 2 digits, and we have to found the greatest and the smallest out of these digits. The next part is how many different numbers can you make in all if you have to repeat these two. So let's try it and find it out. So we are going to start from the smallest. So 2, 2, 3, 3. Now if we have to make the next number greater number than this, so what will be, we cannot use these. If we interchange 3 and 3, it is not going to make any difference. So what we have to do is 2, 3, 2, 3. It will be our next smallest number. Then what we are going to do is 2, 3, 3, 2. So we had fixed 2 at the thousands place, and we have used the numbers. Now what we will do to make for the next number, we are going to use 3, 2, 2, 3. Then 3, 2, 3, 2. Then 3, 3, 2, 2. Can we make more number out of these two using these 2 digits? I don't think these are the numbers we can make. So total number we can make using these 2 digits repeating equal number of times is 2233, 2323, 2332, 3223, 3232, and 3322. Now we have been given the question that who is the tallest, and who is the shortest. We have been given the heights of four different people. The height of Ramhari is 160 centimeter. Dolly 154 centimeter. Mohan 158 centimeter. And Shashi 159 centimeter. So we have to arrange these in the decreasing order of heights and increasing number of height. So first we start for increasing. So we have to find the least number out of these, which are the numbers 160, 154, 158 and 159. So least number we find that 1 is always at the 100 place in all the cases. So 1 is fixed. Now we have to use the smallest out of these. So 5 is also fixed for 5 is there in 3 numbers. So 5 we are using. Then the least out of 4, 8 and 9. What is the least is 4. So 154. Whose height is this? 154 is the height of Dolly. Then 158 is the height of 158 is the height of Mohan. Then 159 is the height of Shashi, and then 160 is the height of Ramhari. So this is our ascending order. Now we have to use in descending order or decreasing order. So we will just reverse this. 160, 159, 158 and 154. So in the decreasing order we have Ramhari at the first place, Shashi at the second place, Mohan at the third place and Dolly at the fourth place. Next question given to us is which almirah to buy. Sohan and Rita went to buy an almirah. There were many almirah available with their price tag. So the price tags given is the first price of almirah. I put the name A, B, C, D. A is given to us as 2635. B is 1897. 1897. C is 2854. 2854. D is 1788. 1788. And E is 3975. 3975. We have to arrange these prices in increasing order. So we have to find the least first. Least price is to be at the first. So we find that the at thousandth place the digits used are 1, 2 and 3. So naturally we have to use this in the increasing order. So we have to put the least first. So the first number will be at thousandth place, we will be using 1 out of the given numbers. Then at 100 place there are, when 1 is used, the 100 place value is 1897 and 1788. So naturally 1788 will be our least price. 1788. Then next will be our 1897. 1897. Then 2635. 2635. Then 2854. And 3975. So we have used all the numbers and arranged it in the increasing order. We can also use in decreasing order. We have to just reverse the order of the numbers. Then what we'll be doing, 3975 at first place, 3975. Then 2852. Then 2635. 2635. 1897 and 1788. We have to try these. Arrange following numbers in ascending order. We have to arrange following numbers in the ascending order. The number given are 847, 9754, 9754, 8,320, 8,320, 571. When we see all these numbers, so we have two 3-digit numbers and two 4-digit numbers. So out of these two 3-digit numbers, 847 and 571. So 571 is the smallest, so we'll put 571 at the first place, 571 at the first place, and then 847. Then we have got 4-digit numbers. One is 9,754 and 8,320. So we will be putting 8,320 and 9,754, 9,754. This is our ascending order. For descending order, we can reverse this. Our next question is, we have to use the digits, numbers 9,801, 9,801, 25,751, 25,751, 36,501, 36,501, and 38,802. We have to use these numbers in ascending order. So we see here that out of these 4 numbers, the only number which is of 4 digit is 9,801. So we will be using 9,801 at the first place. Then other 3 digits are all 5 digits number. So starting with 2, 3 and 3. So 2 will come first. So 25,751 will be our next number. 25,751. 25,751. Then the remaining 2 digits are starting with 3 at the thousands place. So we have to choose the next at the 10,000 place. There both have the 3. So at 1,000 place, one is having 6 and other is having 8. So we will be using 6 because we have to use the least out of these two. So 36,501 and the last number, the greatest one, will be 38,802. In next question, we have to arrange the numbers in the descending order. The question is 5,000, 7,500, 85,400, and 7,861. We have to arrange these in the descending order. It means we have to use the greatest number at the first. So what we find that out of these four numbers, the only 5-digit number is 85,400. So we will be using 85,400 at the first. Now we have the remaining 3 digits, the 3 numbers which are of 4 digits. So 5,000, 7,500 and 7,861. So next will be the number 7 starting with the 7,000. So 7,861 will be our next number, 7,861. Then 7,500. Then next number will be our 5,000. We have used 7,861 because at 100 place 8 is greater than 5. So we have used 7,861, then 7,500, and our last number will be 5,000. The next topic is how to make greatest and the smallest by shifting the digits. That is, our topic is 1.2.2, shifting the digits. We have been given the number 182, 182, and we are using the digits 182. How can we make the greatest? So we have to make the greatest by 8 to 1. Then 821 will be our greatest. 8 we are using at the 100 place. Next higher number is 2, so we will be using 2 at the 10th place and 1 at the 1's place. And what will be the smallest? 128. We can try the other number is 391. We have to make the greatest. What will we be doing? We will be taking 9 at the 100 place, 3 at the 10th place, and 1 at the 1's place for greatest. And what will be least? 139. So by shifting the digits we can make greatest or the smallest. We use, from our side, we use one more question, that is we have to use 493, and we have to make the greatest, which will be the greatest number out of these using these digits. So we will be using 9 at the 100 place, 4 at the 10th place, and 3 at the 1's place. So 943 will be our greatest. And what will be our least using these digits? Just tell. 349. In the next video, we are going to go to the next topic.